Modern day cameras are a marvel of technology. Speed, automation, accuracy have made modern cameras efficient to use, creating amazing pieces of art. However, sometimes they could be a little too good. As photographers, we are always told focus is key. Portraits should have strong eye focus. Landscapes should be sharp throughout the scene. Product photography should very clearly detail the product. But in videography, there's always been something called a little too sharp. Having video that is too sharp can look unnatural or like it was shot on a phone. One trick videographers have done in the past is to put a little Vaseline around the lens, keeping the center in focus and diffusing the outer edge. This gives the video a dreamy look. However, this was messy and a pain to clean the lens afterwards. Nowadays, we can just use a mist filter which simulates the same thing. In comes the Maven Filters Dream Soft Filter. Disclaimer: Maven sent me all of their filters that you see in this video. The lens is my own, but the filter was theirs along with the adapter rings. However, everything I say in this video are my own words. Maven did not tell me what to say, and Maven will not see this video until it is posted for all of you guys to see too. If you want to purchase a Maven Dream Soft filter or any other of their filters, I have an affiliate link down in the description below. Now, the Maven Dream Soft filters greatly soften the skin texture, and they bloom the highlights while preserving the overall sharpness and the contrast too. They're ideal for portraits, weddings, and cinematic video, adding a subtle, flattering glow without overpowering the image. The Dream Soft filter is basically an evolution to their Show Glow filters, which were previously released. Now, the Show Glow filters, they came in 3 different strengths: 1/8, 1/4, and 1/2. The 1/2 strength will give the most diffusion and really bloom any highlights. Usually 1/4 is the most popular strength. The Dream Soft filter only comes in 1 strength, which I believe is a 1/4 strength, but I will double check on that and then add the information in the description. But as you can see, the Dream Soft filter is thin, and I'll have to do a close-up on it for B-roll. However, inside the middle is a little circle where it's a little bit clearer than the diffusion along the edges. And what this does is allows anything in the center to be more in focus. It still has some diffusion, but then most of the diffusion's out on the outer edge. Now, the edges have like a knurl edge to them. It comes in a real burnt orange look, so you can tell the difference. I tell you, I love Maven's color coding system. It really makes it easy to figure out what filter you have on your camera. And like all the Maven filters, they are magnetic. They go right on your lens, and then they come right off when you don't need them. Okay, and also too, you can stack filters. So you may want an ND filter along with the Dream Focus or one of their Soft Glow filters. But either way, you're going to want something quick when you're on the job, because you never know when you're doing something and you want to, hey, you know what? I'm going to try some of that mist look or that dreamy look. Boom, pop it on, do a couple shots, whether it's photographs or whether you're doing video as well. And then when you're done, take it right off. You're all done with it. So, I mean, they're just like all their filters. They're fantastic, built great, good quality glass. You really can't beat them. The Maven Dream Soft filter delivers a cinematic, soft, dreamlike glow straight in camera. The edges feature circular blurring Meanwhile, the center remains clearer for a defined point of focus. As a result, images maintain clarity while gaining artistic softness, while still keeping that contrast and not really softening it too much. Additionally, the highlights bloom gently for a classic, a film-inspired look. They are great for nighttime when you got the neon lights or street lights, or if you have fairy lights or Christmas lights up, they look great. Now, some of the key features of the Maven Dream Soft Filter include a soft focus filter with a sharper, more defined center. It smooths the skin textures, blemishes, and wrinkles, and it also kind of smooths out the pores. It's fast magnetic mounting, clear optical glass with protective coatings, and it works with the Maven magnetic ring light for better close-up lighting. And it's compatible with all of Maven's magnetic adapter rings. The Maven Dream Soft Filter is ideal for portrait, landscape, street photographers, as well as astrophotographers as well. This filter it enables a full-strength, dreamy, soft focus, the effects, and it puts it directly in the camera, so you don't have to do it in post. This eliminates the need for messy, outdated Vaseline techniques. So if you found this video helpful, please click that like button and hit that subscribe button. I'll tell you that you guys have been doing amazing, getting me some subscribers, so I really appreciate that. And like I said, click that like button as well. That helps me with the YouTube algorithms. And until next time, have a very, very blessed day. Take care, everyone.